Hello everyone, I'm Mahanor, and you're watching Glow with Noor. Summer is here, and with it comes tanning, excess oil, dull skin, and uneven skin tone. Many people notice that their forehead becomes darker, their neck starts looking tanned, and areas like elbows and knees lose their natural brightness. If you're dealing with suntan, oily skin, or skin that looks tired and dull, today's video is for you. I'm going to share a simple homemade remedy that I personally use during the summer season. The ingredients are easy to find, affordable, and commonly used in skincare routines. This remedy is especially helpful for people who struggle with oily skin, tanning on the face, dark neck, dark elbows, or uneven-looking skin caused by sun exposure. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and follow my channel for more skincare and beauty tips. Let's get started. Alright. Let me show you the texture first. As you can see, I've already started applying it to one side of my face. The consistency is neither too thick nor too runny. It's smooth, creamy, and very easy to spread on the skin. I'm applying it slowly, so you can clearly see how it looks on the face and how evenly it covers the skin. You can apply a thin, even layer just like this. There's no need to apply too much product at once. I really like the texture because it feels smooth and comfortable during application. As you can see, it spreads quite easily and doesn't feel overly heavy on the skin. I know many of you are waiting to see the actual remedy and how it's made, so let's prepare that first. Don't worry, I'll apply it to the rest of my face a little later in the video. First, let me show you all the ingredients and the exact method I use to make this remedy. That way, you can easily recreate it at home if you'd like to try it yourself. So, without wasting any more time, I'm showing the difference step by step, so you can clearly see the application process. Now let's prepare the complete remedy together. Multani Mitti should be the main ingredient in this remedy, which is why I'm using a larger amount of it compared to the other ingredients. It's especially popular for oily skin because it helps absorb excess oil, deeply cleanses the skin, and leaves the face feeling fresh and refreshed. During the summer season, when the skin tends to become oily more quickly, Multani Mitti can help keep the skin looking cleaner and less greasy. Next, I'm adding a small amount of turmeric powder. Turmeric should always be used in a smaller quantity. There's no need to add too much. The turmeric I'm using is completely natural. I dried it in the sun myself, and then turned it into a powder. Turmeric is well known for its skin brightening properties, helps improve the overall appearance of dull-looking skin. Now I'm adding coffee powder. Coffee is a popular skincare ingredient because it helps remove dead skin cells and makes the skin look smoother and more refreshed. It can also help improve the appearance of tired, dull-looking skin and give the face a more fresh and energized look. Now that all the dry ingredients are in the container, I'm going to mix them thoroughly. Make sure everything is well combined before moving on to the next step so that all the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Now I'm using cow milk to make the paste. You can also use rose water instead if you prefer. It contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin and helps remove dead skin cells. Milk can help improve the appearance of dull skin, making it look brighter, softer, and more refreshed. It may also help reduce the appearance of uneven skin tone and areas that look darker over time. Milk can also help the skin feel softer and more hydrated after use. Now I'm mixing everything well until I get a smooth, lump-free paste that is easy to spread evenly on the face. I'm applying it to the remaining side of my face. As I'm applying it, it feels very cooling effect on my face. The best thing about this mask is the way all three ingredients work together. When Multani, Mitti, turmeric and coffee are combined, they help cleanse the skin, remove excess oil, and improve the appearance of dull, tanned-looking skin. This combination can help to reduce tanning. Regular use may help the skin look more even-toned over time. That's why I especially like using this mask during the summer season when tanning, oiliness, and dullness become more noticeable. You can also use this remedy on the neck, elbows, knees, or other areas affected by tanning. Apply a thin, even layer and allow it to sit on the skin. As you can see, it spreads very easily and feels quite relaxing on the skin. While we wait for the mask to dry, Let me tell you something. Every remedy I share is personally tried and tested by me. Back in my college days, my arms became much darker than the rest of my body because of tanning. That's when I started using remedies like this regularly, and over time I saw a big improvement. That's why I confidently share these remedies with you. If you have very sensitive facial skin, use this mask only twice a week. For areas like the arms, elbows, and knees, you can use it more frequently if your skin is comfortable with it. Consistency is the key, so be patient and give it time. At this stage, the mask is about 60% dry. This is exactly when I like to remove it. When you gently touch the mask, it should no longer stick to your fingers. There's no need to wait until it becomes completely dry. Now I'm using water to gently loosen the mask. Massage the skin softly while removing it, then wash your face thoroughly with water until all the product is removed. As you can see, I've washed my face now, and my skin looks so fresh and clean. It feels smooth, refreshed, and all the excess oil has been removed. For the best results, one very important thing to remember is that you should always apply a moisturizer. After using this mask, try to stay consistent with this simple and easy remedy and give it a try for yourself. Right now, I'm applying my Revage Niacinamide Serum, which helps keep my skin feeling hydrated and comfortable after masking. You can also use a hyaluronic acid serum or your favorite moisturizer if you prefer. Never leave your skin dry after using a clay-based mask like this one. A good serum or moisturizer helps lock in hydration and keeps the skin looking healthy, soft, and glowing. I've been using this Revage Niacinamide Serum lately, and I'll be posting a detailed review on it very soon, so don't miss that. As you can see, my skin looks fresh, clean, and glowing. For overall skin brightness and a healthy glow, make sure to include enough vitamin C in your routine and maintain a healthy diet. I hope you found today's video helpful and enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and home remedies.